Hey everyone, what's up? What's up? It's Adam. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on a product I actually am pretty stoked about since I've seen it. And now that I have it in my hands, the Skullcandy Dime, they're definitely onto something with this. These retail for $24.99. Really think about that. They retail for $24.99. So let's go over the features and what they say these have to offer on the box itself. They're saying 12 hours total battery life. You can control music and calls, auto connect, secure noise isolating fit, water resistant with IPX4, Bluetooth 5.0. You can use either bud solo. Activate your assistant, auto on and connect. I think I mentioned that before. And yeah, they got microphones and a replacement policy. Now I just got them yesterday, so it's only been a couple hours of actually using them. But what do I think about using them after just a couple hours? Well, the first thing I'll say is they're definitely unique in their color. I mean, I don't really see any colors like this. I mean, they have a gray, a black, this gray, blue, and also a green, black or something like that. And right off the bat, I am seriously not disappointed, and they don't feel cheap. And just the sound quality for the past couple hours of me using them and the fit, they actually are noise isolating. I felt like I had to speak a little bit louder. I feel like I can wear these for a long time. The couple of hours I did test them, I did not get ear fatigue. The only thing that kind of threw me off once I put them in was controls. I thought they were touch enabled and I thought I had a defective product, but I just wasn't paying attention. But it is a button you do have to press in, and I noticed myself grabbing the end and pressing it in. Otherwise, I feel like I had to press a little too hard into my ear. So that's like probably the only thing I noticed right off the bat that was a little off. But it's still not a complaint. It's nothing to complain about. Now, the fact that you can use either earbud solo, I mean, you'd have to buy something like the AirPods Pro, or I can't even think of right off the top, the JBL Reflect Mini NCs to actually be able to use either earbud solo. There's just not many right off the bat that I could think about that offer that, especially when you think about the Jabra Elite 85Ts, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2s, and many other earbuds. The highest end ones still don't do that. And based off the sound, I listen to all kinds of genres, and so far I'm not noticing anything that makes me be like, okay, these are crap. These are probably going to be best fit, especially with the time of the battery life, for those that are probably going to use these for work, because there's very low risk with these. You're not going to be worried about using, if you're a mailman, let's say, or you work in an Amazon warehouse, or I don't know, you detail cars. I'm trying to think of those that want to be left alone in isolation while they're working, while listening to something. I think this is who these are especially for, because you're not worried about if you lose the earbud. You're not really concerned about getting them dirty, IPX4, so if you're sweating while walking around, like if you're a mailman or something, you have no issues there. But one issue I have with expensive true wireless earbuds is I always am conscious about what I'm using them for. You know, the AirPods Pro, I just reviewed those and I feel uncomfortable working out in them because I don't want to get them dirty. Or if I'm working on the garden, I just get concerned about that because they're so expensive. I don't want to damage them, or I just want to keep them neat, I guess is the best way I can explain it. Where here, if you're skateboarding or whatever and you're just listening to a book or something while you're walking between classes, if you're a college student, man, it feels so good to have a low risk item. So with these, I feel like they're really bringing in some competition against, JLab and other, budget, companies that make a lot of earbuds and headphones and things like that. So I'm really stoked to use these for the next few days and really get my real initial review of them for what I fully think. So hopefully this helped if you are considering it. I just was so stoked to let you guys know these actually exist. And yeah, I can't wait to see where this goes. So thank you for watching this. To good health, I hope all is well, and I'll see you on the next one.